Hi, welcome. Today I want you to take a deep breath and relax. This is your moment to enjoy and learn. So find a cozy place to sit, maybe a favorite chair, or just somewhere quiet and peaceful. Adjust the lights, get comfortable, and now let's enjoy this story together. You listen, you read, and you will learn slowly, beautifully, one sentence at a time. Welcome to English with Stories. Today, you will learn English with a story called A Strange Day in Sunnyville. This story is for beginners, level A1. Let's begin. Sunnyville is a small, quiet town. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, the birds are singing. Town, cidade pequena. Quiet, silenciosa. Sky, céu. Birds, pássaros. Tom is a boy. He is 10 years old. He has brown hair and big eyes. His sister's name is Anna. She is 8 years old. She loves books and wears glasses. Brown hair, cabelo castanho. Glasses, óculos. Loves, ama. One morning, Tom hears a strange sound outside. What is that? He opens the door. The garden is full of small lights, blue, green, and yellow lights. Tom says, Anna, come here. Look at this. Anna says, Oh no, what's it? Are they fireflies? Sound, som. Door, porta. Garden, jardim. Fireflies, vagalumes. They walk to the backyard. They see something strange behind the tree. It's a small, shiny object. It looks like a toy, but it's not a toy. It's moving. Tom says, It's alive! Backyard, quintal. Shiny, brilhante. Object, objeto. Alive, vivo. Tom gets his backpack and puts the object inside. Anna takes her notebook and writes everything. Anna says, We need to tell Mom. Tom says, Wait, let's find out what's it first. Tom and Anna ride their bikes to the park. In the park, they see a sign, Do not enter. But they go inside. They find a small box with the same lights. Ride, andar de bicicleta. Park, parque. Sign, placa, box, caixa. The lights stop. The object flies into the sky. Tom and Anna smile. It was a strange day, but an exciting day. Tom says, I will never forget this. Anna says, Me too. Let's write this story in my notebook. Now, let's check your understanding. Where do Tom and Anna live? What do they see in the garden? What does Tom put in his backpack? What do they find in the park? What happens at the end of a story? Here you can pause the video and write the answers in the comment section. Great job! You finished your first English story with me. If you liked this story, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Tell me, what should Tom and Anna do next?